So I just started up. When I cut the scene, I obviously put my fucking camera so you can meet the scene. Now it doesn't want to turn on. Well, fuck. So before I go any further, keep it. 66 Dart, boys. Dart, fuck! I keep saying Dart. It's a Fury. Close enough, right, to Mopar, so. Look at that. Little patina on there. Look at that fucking body line though, dude. Stout. So yeah, I was coming back. I'm gonna disconnect my charger because I got my charger on it. So I was on my way back from California, and we went to Disneyland. I went for my first time. That was fucking cool. Wait. Yep. So I was on my way back from California, and I was on Craigslist. I was like, I was actually gonna try to find a Duster. So the cheapest one I found that was a Duster was caged out fucking drag racer from probably the 80s, and they wanted 12 grand for it, and that thing was fucking clapped. So I picked this up. Original 318 AC original. Read in the wheat, boys. Good old fucking R12 that's illegal to have now. I already went and bought a battery. I already got a battery. I actually drove it home. This is the first time it doesn't want to start, so we'll see what's up with that. And I left my fucking keys in the car. I drove it home. Fucking no issues at all. No issues. And this is the first time it's gonna fucking do this to me. Of course, once I start recording. So I just went to, don't mind the fucking headliner. I just went to AutoZone and bought a bunch of spark plugs, all 8 of them. They didn't have AC Delco, so for now, I swear to fucking God, I'm using Autolite copper. Door panels were there. Not too bad. Yeah, buddy. This shit I fucking hate. I don't know how people like this stuff. I hate black ice. It smells disgusting to me. I fucking hate it. There's the dual master cylinder, because this thing's a single for all 4, which I'm gonna change. Sorry for the sniffles. This poncho is mine. It's funny too, because like the stereotype classic cars have like the ponchos on the seats, and of course, sure as hell, I'm gonna put one on mine. Here's the interior. Don't worry about that. Yeah, I'm not gonna show you guys the fucking seat. Fuck that shit. Headliner's clapped. Seat that's clapped as well. But I mean, look at the bottom of this thing though. It's not too bad. If that wasn't too fucked up, I would have left it. But oh well. All interior lights fucking work. But yeah, factory AC and heat. That's a gem right there. High beams is on the ground, of course. So the guy I bought it off of, so he gave me a deal. I can pass up on it. I was literally on my way. Oh yeah, like as I was saying, I was on my way over here, back to Vegas. This is on the Sunday, and I was like, hey, can I come by check it out? Came and checked it out, drove it, and I go, all right, I'll pick it up tomorrow. So there's that. Now I need to find my fucking keys already locked. So it's a 318 Mopar. Here's that single thing I was telling you about. I want to see where it splits. Oh, there it is. Where it splits. Yeah, I'm not having that. Fuck that. So it's a 318 Mopar. I'm gonna crack it open honestly, because I don't know why it doesn't want to start. I mean, when I drove it home, it was fine. I just had to fucking brake really fucking early, since there's rumps in the front as well. But I mean, other than that, fucking cruising home with a fucking heater. Shit, son. So know what? It's not getting fuel. And the bitch has got gas. I don't see nothing coming out the jets. I see nothing. So there's two fuel adjustment screws in the front. I googled it right now. Fuck. The one on the back is a the fuck is it called? A idle screw adjustment. Come on, Betsy. There we go. So let's try it now. Oh, carburetors. These things are something else. There's fuel. And that float's empty. Literally, of course, the fucking camera's off. I need to stop doing that. Because I get, since I'm recording on my iPhone, I get really annoyed just having it, readjusting it everywhere. So I turn off the fucking camera and set it down to the side. Of course, I put spray brake cleaner. And it's starting right up, but yeah. Before you guys say anything about saying I'm revving a cold engine, I already had it running for about almost half an hour before I went out of zone, so fuck up. You can't hear shit. All you hear is the fan. So I thought about NICs. I just got the Slug boot stuff. I still need to get it I still needed this as well, so we'll just set this now. This thing has, I never heard of this company before, Champion. So let's go get some NICs. I have to get the big boy bottle, or the squeeze of Duho Mahiki, because they didn't have the fucking sampler right by the register, so let's get back to it. So I just oh, God. So I just finished up the driver's side from the front to the back. This is front to the back. So this is a points and condenser firing, or I'm sorry, ignition, front to the back. These are a little bit rusty. So for points and condensers, they like to see 35 thousandths for gap, and these are a little tight. Actually, it's like this. I don't know, distributor or not distributor, whatever generation after points and condenser. I guess the engines like to see like 45 thousandths. So let's check it out. My handy dandy spark plug capper, 35 thousandths. Nope. So let's work our way down. Sorry for the noise.
Yeah, it doesn't even want to fit in. Doesn't even want to fit in 20,000s. Let's see. Oh, forced it. See all that fucking shit coming off of it. Let's do this one. A little bit under, like 32, 31. 20, 29,000s. Let's go 20,000s, okay. 32. So these are running way too, what's the word for it? Too close of a gap. So let's do the other side. So I'm having issues for clearance because I got the AC stuff on this side and that heat shield. I got the first one and no problem, so I'm gonna take a little mini break. So God, I can't fucking talk today. Oh, that would have been bad if I forgot to put this bad boy on. So we're all done. Focus. There we go. Focus. Oh. Come on, fucker. There we go. So we're all done here. Damn, this thing's fucking dirty. Well, dusty. Let me just triple check everything. So for me, this thing is running really rich. You can smell the unburnt fuel and you can actually see it over here. So we'll give her a go and then see how she does now. So we're all done here. Damn, this thing's fucking dirty. Well, dusty. Let me just triple check everything. So for me, this thing is running really rich. You can smell the unburnt fuel and you can actually see it over here. So we'll give her a go and then see how she does now. Don't use brake cleaner to start your car, but for my purposes, we're okay. Sounds a thousand times better already. Yeah, now I can properly adjust my carburetor now. Let me fix my poncho. Oh yeah, this puppy wants to go now. way better now. This is the next thing. Yeah, buddy. As I was saying, all the interior lights work. And then for the glove box as well. Bam! You know what? So that's how you get to the little cabin air filter cleaner. The more you fucking know. Look at that. Yeah, buddy. I might fuck with that right now. An RPM gauge. Am I on? Yeah, it is. It's alright. Speedo doesn't work, so I need a new cable for that as well. But we're going, boys. We're gonna need a Speedo. So yeah, got the intake on. Got a slight history of leak in there. Other than that, this is the either number 7 or 8 on this one. Focus the way back one towards the firewall. There's 7 here because I dropped one down there. So whatever. But yeah, that's for today's video. And let this thing fucking focus maybe. So yeah, thanks guys. You'll see a lot of these things. I'm picking up something Friday for this, so should be fun. But yeah, catch y'all bad boys later.